Welcome to the Computer World Terminologies and Concepts series. In this video, we explore bugs and debugging. Bugs are errors or defects in code that cause programs to behave unexpectedly. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing these bugs. Whether you are a beginner or experienced programmer, understanding bugs and debugging is essential for writing reliable software. Programming errors fall into four main categories. Syntax errors occur when code violates language rules and prevents compilation. Runtime errors happen during program execution and cause crashes or exceptions. Logical errors allow code to run but produce incorrect results. Semantic errors are statements that are syntactically correct but have no meaningful purpose. Each type requires different debugging approaches to fix. Professional developers use multiple strategies to debug code. Brute force involves adding print statements to track variable values throughout execution. Backtracking works backwards from an error to find the cause. Binary search narrows the problem scope by dividing code into halves. Cause elimination involves listing probable causes and testing each one. Rubber ducking means explaining your code aloud to spot issues. Logging captures detailed information in files for later analysis. Modern development environments provide powerful debugging tools. Integrated development environments like VS Code and PyCharm have built-in debuggers. Breakpoints let you pause execution at specific lines to examine program state. Watch and step features allow you to inspect variables and move through code line by line. GDB is the GNU debugger for C and C++ programs. Profilers analyze CPU and memory usage. Logging tools record program events. Chrome DevTools enables web browser debugging. Static and dynamic analyzers check code automatically. Follow these best practices when debugging. First, always reproduce the bug consistently before attempting fixes. Understand the context of what the code should do and the system requirements. Document the steps you take and solutions you find for future reference. After implementing a fix, test thoroughly to ensure it does not break other functionality. Collaborate with peers by getting code reviews and fresh perspectives. Finally, reflect on each bug to prevent similar issues in future projects. The debugging process follows 5 key steps. Step 1 is to identify the bug by recognizing the problem and understanding its symptoms. Step 2 is to isolate the problem by narrowing down the location and scope of the error. Step 3 involves analyzing the root cause to determine why the bug is happening. Step 4 is to develop a solution that addresses the root cause. Step 5 is testing and verification to confirm the fix works and does not create new issues. Several errors appear frequently in programming. Off-by-one errors occur when loops iterate one time too many or too few. Division by zero causes runtime errors from invalid mathematical operations. Null reference errors happen when accessing uninitialized or null object members. Infinite loops occur when a program never reaches an exit condition. Type mismatch errors result from assigning the wrong data type to a variable. Stack overflow errors occur from too many recursive calls that exhaust memory. Developers use practical techniques to debug code effectively. Print statements output variable values to the console to track program flow. Breakpoints pause execution at specific points so you can examine the program state. Stepping through code means executing it line by line to observe behavior. Watching variables lets you monitor specific values during execution. Logging writes detailed information to files for post-execution analysis. Code review has peers examine your code to spot potential issues. Preventing bugs is better than fixing them. Code review through peer examination catches errors early during development. Testing, including unit, integration, and system tests, verifies that functionality works correctly. Linting using automated tools checks code style and identifies potential issues. Following design patterns and proven architectural practices reduces defects. Clear documentation prevents misunderstandings about how code should work. Continuous integration with automated testing catches issues immediately after code changes. Remember 5 key points about bugs and debugging. First, bugs are inevitable in all code, so debugging is a core developer skill. Second, understanding different error types helps you apply appropriate fixes. Third, systematic approaches like backtracking and binary search make debugging efficient. Fourth, debugging tools like IDEs and breakpoints significantly speed up the process. Fifth, and finally, preventing bugs through testing and code review is more effective than fixing them after discovery. Keep these concepts in mind as you develop your programming skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.